also let's also so if the messages are empty, we want our user to or our website to alert the user to ensure you impute a value in both fields. Okay, so that should have an exclamation. And then now so it's an if else statement. So just after our if statement, let's put an else. Let's see, it should alert this form has an email of so let's put this in here, and in our curly brackets let's put this email dot value. All right. Okay, and message of. Okay, so we're trying to display the various content of our form field, the value. Okay, great. So now we have that. Okay. Or I think our else statement should rather be a thing of success. All right, so it should be a thing of success. So let's go ahead and see this form has successfully submitted. All right, and then also we can console log the content of our form. Okay, so let's console log the content of our forms. Okay, this form has an email of, let's put in the various email dot value. So we're trying to return the value of each of our form fields. Message of message dot value. Okay, so let's also clear the values. Let's see that, and message dot value equal to that. All right, so now that will be all for the JavaScript that we need to function that website, that form. So let's see what we have here. So if we go back to the form, you would realize that when you put in an email, let's say John Doe at gmail.com, and then you put in that this is a test message. When you submit, oh, we didn't refresh, so let's refresh this. That means Control F5. Alright, so when you refresh that, now you can put in John at gmail.com, and this is a test message. Now let's submit. Nothing happens. Alright, so let's see why nothing happens. My form could not find name. My form, did you mean form? My form actually couldn't find name. My form by ID. Oh, this is ID, not name. This is supposed to be name. Yeah. Oh, there's a space here, so please don't put in that space. Now let's save. Still could not find it. Could not find that document that get element by ID, my form. Okay, so let's try it. Let's try it out that and see what we have. Let's inspect and see if our console is okay. Cannot read properties of null. Reading, add event listener. Wow, so I couldn't read that. Let's see why I couldn't read that. So we have our script here. Okay. And then form that add event listener. So it's saying could not find name my form. Did you mean form? Form? Nope. We're not using that form. ID form. Action form. Okay. My form. Okay. By ID. My form. But this is my form. ID is my form. Let's put it MI form. Still could not find name, my form. Wow. Okay, so ID my form. Form. Okay, save that. Now let's go ahead and refresh form. Because cannot access form before its initialization. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now let's see where this should be rather my form. Oh, this should be in should be my form. All right, so now that should be my form. Now let's go and refresh. Okay, so our console is okay. So now let's go over and fill out our form. So we can see that this is John at gmail.com, and this should be, this is our form. Okay, so when I submit, it says this form has successfully submitted. Okay, so from our logic, after submission, it should be able to also prompt us in the console. So let's go ahead to the console and see. Alright, so our console says this form has an email of john@gmail and message.value. So it should not have returned us message.value. So let's see where that error comes from. So it should be email.value. Oh, so we didn't put that in curly brackets. So let's put that in curly brackets. Right, so when we save and then we refresh again, and then when we put in the email, goody@gmail.com, this is your message. Then when we submit, it says this form has successfully submitted, and then it should console log this form has an email of goody@gmail.com and message of this is your message. So congratulations guys, you've just succeeded in creating a functional form in JavaScript. So that would be the basic introduction of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you love to further into more, so I'll see you on the new course.